Hi, I'm Kiara, and I'm an anthropology major, and today's video is going to be about traditional Chinese medicine. Traditional Chinese medicine is over 2,000 years old, and its main focus is maintaining balance in the body, which is commonly referred to as yin-yang. Some of the fundamental principles are also qi, which is the vital energetic life force that throws throughout the body, and then also there are 5 different elements that I'll talk about later, and then also different practices and traditions that, again, I will touch on later. The 5 elements are wood, fire, earth, water, and metal. All of these elements correlate with different colors, characteristics, seasons, organs, tissues, sensory organs, emotions, and taste. The 7 main practices and treatments in traditional Chinese medicine are acupuncture, herbal medicine, moxibustion, cupping, Tui Na, Tai Chi, and dietary therapy. To start off with, one of the traditional Chinese medicine practices is acupuncture. Basically, in traditional Chinese medicine, acupuncture is believed to be able to balance the vital energetic life force in the body. The second type of treatment practice that traditional Chinese medicine uses is herbal medicine. Basically, instead of using artificial medicines, they used all plant-based remedies to help prevent or treat different diseases or illnesses. So the next practice is moxibustion, which basically is a therapy that burns moxie or mugwort to stimulate the different acupuncture points. The fourth practice I'm going to talk about is cupping. Cupping is basically used to suction the skin, and it is specifically used for dispelling stagnation, improving conditions like pain, respiratory problems, digestion, and also improving qi flow in the body. The next practice is Tui Na, which is basically a manual form of therapy, which is similar to some sort of massage therapy, but it uses different techniques to really improve the blood flow and improve the qi flow. The next practice I'm going to talk to you guys about is Tai Chi. Tai Chi is slow movement with deep breathing and meditation to harmonize the mind, body, and spirit. In traditional Chinese medicine is correlated between warm and cold, and then also there are different flavors that relate to different organs and then different food examples for those. Now we're going to move on to interviews and understanding other people's perspectives on traditional Chinese medicine.
Hi, I'm Haley. I'm majoring in occupational therapy. I'm a freshman, and I believe that traditional Chinese medicine is a good thing, but so is Western medicine, because I believe that you need both, and everything is individualized, so for something that works for one person won't work for the next person, but I think it's good to have a nice little balance. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Elliot Strang. I am Kiara's RA, and I am a chemistry major. Personally, I think that the use of acupuncture, when studied combined with different biomedical sciences, could be fairly useful. I mean, if you do a study where you use acupuncture on someone and you study different hormone receptors or serotonin levels, see if it actually decreases different stresses, if you're measuring their cortisol levels and it decreases their stress when you're using acupuncture, that could prove to be scientifically effective. Now, I don't know, I haven't done the studies myself, but I think it's worth looking into.
Hi, my name is Reagan Bennett, and I'm a biomed major. I think Chinese medicine is really good. I used to have acupuncture done, but I would hyperventilate all up before because I'm terrified of needles. But it did work for after the fact. But we realized just medicating me was probably better. Hopefully, in the future, I can go back to it when I get over my fear of needles. I'm just like a little baby right now, okay? But I do think Chinese medicine can work, because I think your body needs to be in balance for everything to work properly. Because if you're eating McDonald's every single day and walking 5 steps, you're just gonna feel like crap, and your face is gonna be really oily. I realize that when I eat really greasy food, my face gets really oily. But if you're eating it in moderation, that's really good in moderation, because you can eat crappy food, but you need to eat it in moderation with other healthy food, blah blah blah. and like you go like for a walk once in a while. Like when your body's all in balance, like it works. And like Chinese medicine, like I don't really know kind of about that. I think I don't really know. I don't know how a whole lot about Chinese medicine, but I know acupuncture and cupping, and that's about it. If your Kiara's professor watching this, you should give her an A because she 100% deserves it. Yeah, I'm awesome.